and a welcome in or a welcome back. It's a Monkey Mar. Before we get into today's video, please make sure you click that subscribe button, the like, and the bell for notifications. Hey guys, do you remember Adam Dowdell? He was the young man who went to ASU in Alabama, and he played some cards, and he was found deceased on, I think it was like September 18th, 2020, and he went missing on September 8th of 2020, and then Ivry Hall was arrested and they denied him bail. So tonight my phone goes off with a text message alert, and to be honest, I thought I had turned off the text alerts on Ivory Hall, but I didn't. So it appears that Ivory Hall, who had a $250,000 bonded out today. I don't know what I missed. I do not know why or how, but I can't even imagine what Adam's mom, Toya Cohill, is going through. So I just wanted to give an update because you guys know I like to follow my cases through. And this was such a senseless crime. It's another one that you just can't wrap your head around. And it was funny too because I got a comment tonight on one of his videos that some people believe it was self-defense. I don't know. I, for some reason, am not buying that because of the evidence and the fact that, I don't know, guys. But anyways, and let's go over to a Vine link and see. I just can't believe he bonded out a $250,000 bond, which was denied, then given back, and then he gets out. 2 months short a year that he's been sitting in jail. So this was the alert that I received tonight. Ivory Lee Hall, a 20, custody status, out of custody, reason bonded out from the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office on June 30th, 2021. So I am definitely going to stay on top of this story, and if Toya Cohill is listening, which I seriously doubt, but if you are, Toya, I would love for you to contact me. My email is below in all of my videos in the description at the bottom, and I would love to talk to you and just hear about how Adam Dowdell was and what kind of person he was. So, guys, that is all I have on this video. I do not know why, but I find this picture right here to be so powerful. I don't know, it's one of those pictures you look at and rest in heaven, Adam Dowdell, aka Belle. Alright guys, drop them comments, drop them opinions, and with that, it is a wrap. I want to thank you all for coming in. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike, whichever you prefer, and subscribe. Everyone have a good day or a good night wherever you are in the world, and stay vigilant. I am out.